Hello. Hi. Today we'll talk about briefly review the process of stormwater system design. So the first step is always, you want to design a storms water system that retains 60% of rainfall. That's a requirement. Okay. So the goal to do that is the reason we add LIDs because we're trying to retain 60 percentiles of the rainfall. Okay. By doing that, you want to go to this Stormwater Calculator, and it's pretty straightforward. You just go through each tabs over here. Once you go through them, then you know there's some steps, but once you be able to go through them, then we should be fine. So those numbers. Um, I guess the most question we'll have is the results. So once you have results, so the first thing is you always want to have an initial results, and then here if you refresh results, you wanna once you set up all these things, you keep LID control all 0, and then the thing is you want to click this, use as baseline scenario, you click it, so they will save all the data in here as a baseline scenario. That's the benefit of doing this. So you have a baseline scenario, and then you start to change the LIDs you're trying to add. That's the point. um, so that's one thing. Just remind yourself, to be able to get these two comparisons, you want to click this use baseline scenario. So then, the goal is once that is done, you should make sure, go back to here, LID controls, and add numbers in there. Okay. Um, Again, land cover, forest, you need add numbers to those two. Okay, so that's what we mean. And then um, when you have this results, when you add after you add the LIDs, the LID numbers in here, you know those numbers in here, you want to make sure this results, okay, which is in here, percentile. Okay, so right now it's 60% here, so it's the same because we didn't add LID yet. So but you want to make sure this 60%, the blue, which is a current scenario, make them super low. Okay. If you look at the results we did in this scenario, see here, that's the result you want to get. You want to make sure here the bar is super small. um, that was the goal. Okay. Once this is accurate, you kind of already meet the requirement of what we said, up here, the 60 percentile of rainfall. Okay. Thanks.